Well, this paper dog is a very simple origami model, appropriate for little children. You will need a 12 centimeter edge square and a black sketch pen. Fold the paper along the diagonal to make a big triangle. Now fold this big triangle in half and crease the midline. Then open the paper again. Then from the diagonal base, fold a triangle to the right and another triangle to the left. Then reverse the model. Fold small triangles both on the top and the bottom. Once again reverse the model. Doesn't it look like a dog? Now finally, with a black sketch pen, draw both the eyes, the nose and the mouth to make your dog look pretty.